are we going to support her again?
Involved for years now. So, si Ate Lansang na
Dito tayo kalata kay RR.
You'll love it more because you'll love her more because of her character. So,
okay, thank you. Talagang experimenting with makeup. Like, my makeup artist was telling me, so cream blushes, cheek tints, water.